Welcome to a quick demo of Nomad Data's Transcript Chat. Transcript Chat allows you to extract any information you need across more than 150,000 company event transcripts. Let's click New Search to begin. Now choose Transcript Chat. Transcript Chat comes in two modes. In conversation mode, you can select up to 100 transcripts to have a back-and-forth conversation with. This looks more like a conventional chatbot. CSV mode is for large-scale information extraction. Here you can process up to 25,000 transcripts to create your own data feed. Need a time-stamped list of every company that mentioned a shortage of a specific commodity? You can create that and more in only a few minutes. Let's start out by choosing conversation mode. You can narrow down the transcripts you chat with in many ways, including by company, time frame, market cap, and industry. For this example, let's narrow the time frame down to the last 3 years. Now save the new chat. Now we type in our first question. We want to better understand what component constraints have caused issues for Tesla. In only a few seconds, Transcript Chat analyzes all earnings calls and company events to produce an answer. Now let's try out the other modes of Transcript Chat. Again, let's click Transcript Chat. This time, we're going to try out CSV mode. CSV mode can read up to 25,000 transcripts at once to essentially produce a custom data feed on demand. Want to know every company that mentioned a supply constraint last year? Transcript Chat will produce a time series dataset along with any details you need. Want to see every construction company talking about a rebound in commercial real estate construction trended by week? It's simple. Here we choose a custom time frame. We selected 3 months. Now let's click Save. This is an example of a more complex data feed. Here we're looking for companies that mention that inventory of their products might be building in the distribution channel, along with a summary of the situation. A prompt like this can be very useful at identifying companies or industries experiencing weakness. In only 3 minutes, Transcript Chat reads 20,000 transcripts and produces my data feed. Here I can click and download it. This is an example of what an Excel file output might look like. Each row represents a transcript. In this example, I can see which company it was for and what fiscal period. I can also see when the event took place. Using the timestamp, I can easily produce graphs over time. Diving into this one transcript, I can see that coal inventories grew significantly due to lower exports. I could further refine my prompt in the future to create a column for which type of product was experiencing inventory increases. The last prompt was quite complex. Transcript Chat also supports a simpler format. Here we ask it to filter down all transcripts to only those that mention a slowdown in spend by customers. By default, it will return a short summary of the situation for each. This is our last example. Here I'm looking for all companies mentioning having to overorder a product because of how difficult it is to obtain. This can help me identify bubbles in end markets which can be risky. These examples are only the tip of the iceberg. Once you start using Transcript Chat, you will surely discover unique ways to create datasets to help power your own analysis. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.